I was introducing the idea of coming up with chord progressions to these folks here, and I told them, after talking about it for a little bit, I told them to choose a key and then come up with their own 4-chord chord progression. And I got them all listed right here. They were wonderfully creative with their choices. This is one that our bass player back there, Asa, came up with. And so, without further ado, this song is called Asa Bass. Oh yeah, that thing is good.
1, 2, 3.
Everybody ready? You guys back there, Kyle? Alright, here we go. Alright. This bass. Let's go.